Hello everyone, I am Saitech and welcome back to my channel Saitech. In today's video, I try to test the LDAC codec support test in the POCO F3 GT device. Let's see friends whether the LDAC will be supported in the POCO F3 GT or not. And recently I did order the Realme Buds Wireless 2. So this Wireless 2 has got the support of LDAC codec, and these are very good advantage to test which phones are actually supported with the LDAC codec support testing. So let's see, a lot of users are actually planning to buy this kind of Wireless 2. So in case if they are using the POCO F3 GT device, but they are really confused whether the phone will be able to support or not. But in this video I'll try to demonstrate live. So let's see what are the options we can actually get in the settings option. So first let me try to connect the Bluetooth to the device, so then we'll be able to understand what is going on. Sometimes it takes some time, so usually you should be able to connect faster. So again I'll be back once the Bluetooth headphones has been connected, Bluetooth wireless buds has been connected. So right now it's connected friends, as you can see. As soon as it's connected, you will get the message as well. So current device supports LDAC codec, so you should not be worried at all. The POCO F3 GT supports LDAC codec, and you'll get the information as well which says the battery consumption will be really high if you're trying to use the LDAC codec. That's the one thing you should definitely remember. So click OK, and that's it. And let's go to the settings by clicking on the small arrow mark, and you can actually see the option which is available as well to enable. As you can see friends, exactly the POCO F3 GT actually supports the LDAC codec, so you should not be worried at all. In case if you're planning to buy this kind of wireless buds too, then that's a really good advantage. I'll try to do the gaming review as soon as possible. So in case if you want me to do the gaming review, let me know in the comment section below. So maybe tomorrow morning I'll try to do the gameplay review on this one using the Realme Wireless Buds 2. So how is the gameplay experience? Is there any kind of latency or not? The Realme Buds Qt, I think it's got about 80 milliseconds, 88 milliseconds of super low latency. So I did a couple of gameplay tests as well. In my experience, I did not feel any kind of problem, but definitely tomorrow I'll try to do in front of the camera, so you'll be able to understand it much more better. So let's see any kind of settings we can actually get in the options or not. In the sound and vibrations, what are the options we are getting? Just I'm trying to check whether you can enable or not. Yes, Dolby Atmos and everything you can enable and disable. So Wi-Fi audio you cannot enable at this moment. So thank you for watching this video friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, bye.